It's the most epic way a student roasted a teacher. There was this guy in my school who was known for sleeping through every class. We were 17, attending the top school in the country, and this guy couldn't care less. Most teachers ignored him, but one math teacher decided she'd had enough and wanted to make an example of him. One day, she wrote an insanely difficult math problem on the board, way above our syllabus level, and asked the person next to him to wake him up to answer it. The guy yawned, looked at the board for about 10 seconds, and stayed silent. The teacher started lecturing him about paying attention in class when he casually interrupted and gave the correct answer, without working it out. The whole class froze. This teacher had an advanced math degree from MIT, and even she was stunned. She quickly recovered and asked if he had any questions about the material. He did. He walked up to the board, wrote an equation, and said, "I've been having trouble solving this." The room went dead silent. 45 minutes later, the teacher still couldn't solve it. After that, the school tested him extensively, realized he was a math prodigy, and exempted him from all math classes. He ended up with a full scholarship to Princeton. Absolute legend.